Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we'll be discussing how to adjust the brightness on a Windows 10 computer. This is a nice and quick and easy one, so let's get started. So first off, what we want to do is on your laptop or desktop, if you find the brightness keys, and they'll be at the top on the FN keys, and I've got a screenshot down here of my laptop so we can see. So mine is F6 and F7. And then you'd use those to adjust the brightness up and down using the function key as well. So you'd press the function key, then F6 or F7 to adjust. Some laptops strangely have a function lock key, so just look out for that. It could be to the right or left, and you just want to press that once to enable that if it's been disabled. It's a bit of an annoying feature, but it's there nonetheless. So the other option is that if we go down to the bottom right hand corner of the screen where the time is, and just scroll across to the notifications button here and press on that. In here we can expand and we should see the brightness option. Now this is a VM machine, so we won't see it there, but again I've taken another screenshot, so this is what you should see. And just at the bottom you'll see the slider here, which you can actually adjust the brightness up and down. So that would be here. You sort of match the two together and you can see it here. So, and the final options, what we can do is go down to the left hand side of the screen and go into the Windows icon. You want to right click and go into settings. And once in settings, we want to go into system. And once in system, we'll see the display home screen, which is here. And again, I've got taken another screenshot just to help visually see that. Let's bring that up here. And you can see sort of display home, you'll see the brightness slider again. And again, you can adjust the brightness up and down here. The other function that you might be having is that you've got it in night mode. So if you're coming back into the bottom right hand corner of the screen, into notifications, and you can see night light. So if you put that on, that will actually dim the screen down. It's a very useful function for using at night. If you're working late at night and you want to just get rid of all the blue light, then that's definitely an option. So this was a nice quick and easy video on how to adjust the brightness on a Windows 10 computer or laptop. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one.